Hello. The resource I want to share with you today is a resource called Seesaw. Many teachers in our district use Seesaw, but this is actually my first year using it. I have been using a Facebook classroom page, but wanted something that was more educationally based. And I guess I just got a little nervous with accounts getting hacked into and everything else. I didn't want my students' information to be vulnerable. Not that it's not with Seesaw, but it definitely seems a lot safer. What I love is that students and myself can post work for parents to view on their end. So that's a major reason why I also chose Seesaw. I also chose it because it is simple for students and parents and teachers to use. The purpose for me using Seesaw in my classroom is to allow parents to stay involved with work and activities occurring in our classroom. Students and myself are able to post work done by students in class. I am able to send out announcements to everyone, and if I want, I can only select a certain parent or a few parents to send specific work to. So, like if a student has a birthday, I can send only their picture of them at the, I usually take a picture of all of my students whenever we're celebrating their birthday, and then I send it to parents. So I'm able to do that through Seesaw, and only to that parent instead of everyone seeing. Our weekly newsletter, I send to all of the parents. Students, if they've mastered reading a book or sight words or something, they can record themselves and send that to parents as well. And I'm able to see what students are posting and everything. It goes into a journal, and what's awesome is it really is like a digital journal for students, and parents can view everything there as well. The intended audience are the parents of my students. One ISTE standard is ISTE Student 6D. It says students publish or present content that customize the message and medium for their intended audience. So yes, that students are able to share assignments, projects, and events occurring in class using Seesaw with their parents. Students can pick what they want to share with their parents and do a voiceover or add a comment to go with the pictures or video that they are sharing with the parent. Another ISTE standard is ISTE Educator 4D. This says demonstrates cultural competency when communicating with students, parents, and colleagues, and interact with them as collaborators in student learning. So Seesaw, again, it creates a journal, and it allows parents to be able to be a part of what is happening in the classroom. It allows for communication to flow easily and collaboration among parents and students and myself. So I will kind of show you how I created my Seesaw account. So I went into Google, typed in Seesaw, clicked on Seesaw, click sign up for free, and then there's a few options. You can click I'm a teacher, your students will click on I'm a student, and family member says I'm a family member. What's awesome is once you create your account and put in your students, each student will get like a QR code that I sent home with parents, as well as I emailed parents too, so they could have access in 2 different ways. But students are able to log in and use those QR codes to become a part of the Seesaw community. So you'll click I'm a teacher, and then you just fill out your information, click create teacher account, and it'll walk you through how to use Seesaw with different prompts. Since I'm already logged in, I'll click on my account. Okay, so when you look, here's the journal that I was talking about. Oh, it's going to make me log in again. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry about that. It doesn't like me not interacting with it, apparently. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so we just celebrated a birthday this week. So here's a little girl, and I was able to send it only to her parents, which was pretty nice. Same with this little girl. We celebrated hers, and as you can see, parents can like it, so they have they can comment. This one was sent to everyone in the class, so this is just a math lesson that we did with students. Again, parents can like it and see it. It says who it was seen by. Here's a science lesson the students were working on. It reminds me a lot of Facebook as far as some of the things you can do. You post your pictures, you write your comments. You can do voiceovers, like I said, if you'd like. I have not really done that except for the very beginning. I did a video of myself introducing myself and welcoming everyone to my class. Here's our newsletter that I send out to everybody. And so yeah, I mean, this is it just keeps parents informed on what's going on. So I really, really like it. It's pretty simple. It also has activities that you can do with your classroom if you want to browse activities. The inbox, it has messages that parents can send you, which I'm surprised how many parents actually message me this way instead of emailing me. What's nice is anytime they message you here, it does send an email to my email inbox, so I know that I have a message waiting for me. Also, it sends like notifications and then different skills that students can work on and master. If I want to add something, I can just click the add button. I can post student work, assign an activity to students, or send out announcements. Pretty much when you click on one of them, it brings you to this page on all three of those. You can upload, you can take a photo, you can do a drawing, video, note, or a link. So that's pretty nice as well. But no, it's super friendly, or user friendly, and I enjoy it so far. The only thing I don't like is I feel like there is an app, but I don't know how to upload my pictures and videos that I take of my students through that app. Instead, I just come to this. I have to email myself the pictures after I take them on my cell phone, and then I save them to the computer, and then I upload them. So that's kind of a hassle a little bit, but it's not too bad. So I do need to kind of ask around and see if I can do that, if I can upload things from my phone directly. So that's just one area that I'm not 100% sure on. But no, I like Seesaw, and I definitely recommend it if you are looking for something to use to have students and yourself communicate with parents about what's going on in your classroom. Thanks.